Hello.
Hi, do you want to rent a scooter?
Yes, but I not know the safety rules.
You don't know the safety rules? No problem. Always wear a helmet.
I need ride on the road or sidewalk.
You need to ride on the road, not the sidewalk.
How fast I can go.
How fast can I go? The speed limit is 20 kilometers per hour.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. Be safe and have fun.
Hello.
Hi, do you want to charge your phone?
Yes, but I not know how long it take.
You don't know how long it takes? Usually it takes about 1 hour for a full charge.
I can leave my phone here?
Can I leave my phone here? Yes, but it's better to stay and watch it.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. Enjoy your day and your charged phone.
Hello.
Hi, are you here for the community fridge?
Yes, I not know if I can take food.
You don't know if you can take food? Yes, you can take what you need.
Can I also leave some food?
Yes, you can leave food too. Please write the date on it.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. This fridge is for everyone.
I am happy to help and share.
That's wonderful. Have a great day.
Hello.
Hi, can I help you with the plant?
Yes, I buy this plant, but I not know how care for it.
You don't know how to care for it? No problem. This plant needs water 2 times a week.
It need much sun?
Does it need much sun? Yes, put it near a window.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try.
That's great. Your plant will grow well.
Hello.
Hi. Do you like the mural?
Yes, it is beautiful. Can I paint my own picture here?
Yes, you can. We have a space for new designs.
I not paint on a wall before.
You have not painted on a wall before? That's okay. We can help you.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am excited to try.
That's wonderful. Have fun and be creative.
Hello?
Hi, are you here to wait for the rain to stop?
Yes, I not want to walk in heavy rain.
You don't want to walk in heavy rain? That's smart. You can wait here.
How long the rain will stay?
How long will the rain stay? Maybe 30 more minutes.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to wait here.
That's good. Stay dry and safe.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the podcast club. Can I help you?
Yes, I want join a recording.
You want to join a recording? That's great. We record every Saturday.
I not speak on podcast before.
You have not spoken on a podcast before? No problem. We help new people.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am excited to try.
I am excited to try.
Hello.
Hi, do you want to refill your bottle?
Yes, but I'm not sure if water is clean.
You're not sure if the water is clean? Yes, the water here is filtered and safe to drink.
That is good. How I use the machine?
How do I use the machine? Just press the button and put your bottle under the tap.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to drink clean water.
That's great. Stay healthy and have a nice day.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the composting work show. Can I help you?
Yes, I want know about compost bin.
You want to know about compost bins? We have many types here.
Which bin is good for small home?
Which bin is good for a small home? This green bin is perfect.
I not use compost bin before.
You have not used a compost bin before. No problem. I can show you.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to start composting.
That's wonderful. Good luck and have fun.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the digital skills class. How can I help you?
I want learn computer basics.
You want to learn computer basics? That's great. We start with turning on the computer.
I not use computer before.
You have not used a computer before? No problem. We will go step by step.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I'm happy to learn new things.
That's wonderful. You will do very well.